What's up, vlog? I'm taking you with me to First Splash at Nash. Oh my god, that rhymed. Okay. On my way there, I'll update you when I get there. Made it to Nash. Now it's time to change to our suits and get ready for a warm-up. Guys, the Emma Dietz is here. The party has started. Also, the meet is running late for the little kids. And so now our warm-up is pushed back like 30 minutes.
Probably gonna be here until like 9 o'clock.
Yeah. What up, vlog? We on deck getting ready to warm up. We're all so excited.
Oh yeah.
Capped up and ready to go.
Day 1 of not talking to Greta Mott. Day 1. All my homies hate me.
Anyway, capped up and ready to go.
Ready to race.
Technically no cameras allowed behind the block, but we rebels. We getting it now. Oh, I'm ready.
I'm depressed.
I'm ready.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Warm up is done. Now you start. Yeah, it was 20 minutes, and now the other teams are warming up, and we have an hour before we begin. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat some food. It's 2 o'clock. The meet should be starting soon. We'll see. We're bored out of our minds. Yeah. Ready for today?
No.
Oh. But don't worry, guys. Come to the high school swim meet. They're super hype.
This one's just like,
This is because it's club.
Yeah.
High school swimming.
high school's where it's at.
Student section. God. Anyway, pull up to high school swim meets.
Yeah, they're much better.
Right, Gus? Right?
Okay.
He's always like this.
No!
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna be editing this in second period on Monday.
Oh! No, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Is this the schools?
Yes, this is the school. Alright guys, Emma's going up for the Dupree, and I'm not in this because I took myself out of it. But we're gonna cheer and watch her swim. Woo! There's Dylan.
I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit.
She looks really happy.
I literally flinched on the floor.
Good job. Oh, did you get disqualified?
No, because they had to stand up again, so Brittany said I'm fine.
Oh. Good job.
Bad.
Do it. Yeah, let's just talk about Danny's hair for a second.
I'm an editor.
Aww. Wait, ready? Ready? Oh wait, that was bad. Ah! Ready? Make it a good sound. Oh wait. 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 Ow, that kind of hurts my hand. Oh! Oh my god. Time for the 50 free. We're going up to swim it. Wish us luck. This is me.
Everything's about you too.
This is me before my race. Post 50. Oh my god, I'm really shaking. So good. I'm really shaking. We didn't do good. We added, but that was what was expected.
Yeah.
It doesn't even look like I got in the water. My hair's still dry. I was just that fast.
Yeah, so speedy.
But yeah, now we have the 100 back, and then we're out of here, and we're really cold and hungry and tired.
Freezing.
But yay swimming!
I absolutely smoked Greta Mott by at least 6 seconds.
4.
She kind of
You
sucks.
only beat me by
She's not
4.
that good of a swimmer.
Hey, who's going D1 and who's not?
I'm not even in college yet.
I'm not in college either.
Dylan, how are your swims? Good.
This is Gus's mini me.
Yeah, I'm Gus's baby.
Okay, that's weird. Put her back, that's it. It's a crazy angle.
You're gonna get the bump on my forehead really exaggerated.
You didn't even see her hit it off the wall. It's like,
Oh, you have like a bump?
Yeah.
Or like a
Do you want to see it? No, I have a bump. Do you want to see a picture of it yesterday?
it was this.
Jay, Danny,
don't see it.
Danny, what level?
This was my forehead.
Selfie stick.
Going up for the 100 back.
Yay!
I'm not excited. Yay! I'm so ready. Woo! It's gonna be great. Okay, we'll see ya.
And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient.
As you just saw in that clip, I really did bad.
It's okay, I did too.
Yeah, I did really bad, but it's okay, we're done. We're gonna go home, we're gonna go eat, sleep, and then we're gonna wake up tomorrow morning and do the exact same thing again.
Well, I won't be coming back.
Anyways, see you guys.
Bye.
Peace.
Oh, this is tough. Why do you even go?
That's it, it's for school.
Mustache. Show his mustache.
I deleted it.
Wait, deleted it? It was his birthday yesterday. Everyone say happy birthday, Brendan.
They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Guys, let's go, let's go. Let's be loud. Shorts on 3. 1, 2, 3, shorts.
Say hi. What up, vlog? Me before my 100 free, feeling horrible. Let's go! I'll update you guys when I'm done. Me after my 100 free, I did horrible. I added 4 seconds. But it's comeback season. He did really good in his 100 breasts, won a best time. And he did good in his 2 fly. How are you feeling about this 2 back?
Shut up.
About to go up for the 2 back. Last event of the weekend. Woo! Excited to be done. I'll catch you after my race.
After we go like 3 minutes.
Yeah, for real. What up, vlog? Finished my last event, the 2 back. I feel great being done. Yeah, it was a great weekend. So excited to get better throughout this season, and let's go Tigers. Time to sleep! All right, guys, I'm done. I'm going home. I'm excited to go home and eat the food that my mom made me. Anyways, peace out, Nash. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and come to swim meets this winter, please.